Kamis.
Boss Chase, naka-orb ako ah. Baka hindi ko mapindot yung ano eh. Holy
Uy, si
Gate.
bosses baka irat to si boss kids.
New blood nasa
Southwest
southwest.
guy. Come southeast. Wait, come south. Southwest. This is Jesus.
Vision.
Looking na sa atin.
Come south. Kalaban natin to.
Oo.
Beavers Kingdom Beavers.
Come appeal. Southwest mo.
OC ba?
A3 A3 naka-bear Naka-A3 yan. A3
Right,
Come
Galaxy.
southwest mo.
Puchi kasi mo na!
Doon. Go. Dapat hindi pa ako nakapag-ano. Defensive. Wala pa akong fish.
Sige, reset.
Puchi kasi. Ay, yo, ready is now, in 3, 2, 1, on the ground. Putang ina mo, sabay lag, hayop.
Come straight. Divide.
Ready bosses?
Sige lang. Go, Terry. Everyone go, Terry.
Defensive ready, defensive. Go southwest.
Yo, look
southwest.
ng ground. 3, 2,
3, 1, copy. Nice. Defensive. Go southwest. Walk southwest. Defensive. More defensive ready.
Go, Terry.
They're looking. Defensive.
Uy, narinig nyo ako, di ba?
Kinda.
Medyo.
Ay, rig ka ba? Yo, be ready. Yo, ready.
Ready.
Is now in 3, 2, 1.
Drop E.
Nice damage. Okay, spread and brawl. Keep on spreading brawl. Defense, tell me when ready, okay?
Yes.
12 seconds.
Spread and brawl. Hills on the front.
Perma ready.
Okay. Look northeast now. Ready, engaging north.
Chase.
Hold.
Bandits yan, chase north mo.
Sige. Nap yan. Ready is now, ha? Okay, slowly walk in. Okay, slowly walk in. Yo, ready is. Engaging is now in 3, 2, 1. Drop it on the ground. Ready dep. Spread.
Nasa loob kayo? Nasa loob.
Spread. Kami na yun nasa Terry. Okay, spread. Wala ko sinabi pa. Balik kayo dyan. Putang ina. Ayaw na naman.
Go northwest. Okay, ready.
Perma ready.
We're ready for engage, bosses.
Kamis. Papatay na yung nasa loob na yun, no? Tangina, nagbabak! Yo, ready, engaging tayo east now! Yo, ready, teka, mas bandit to. Sige. Yeah. Come south. Yo, ready, engaging east now in 3, 2, 1. Drop knight. Okay. Spread and brawl. Papatayin ng mga low. Spread and brawl. Spread. Pile lang front.
Bosses ready?
Okay, 6 seconds. Sige. Yo, ready.
Ready.
Yo, ready, engaging dito sa choke, north. In 3, 2, 1.
MB nyo na.
Okay, come back.
Careful, Joe.
Come back.
Minasalong.
Okay, slowly walk in. Walk in, boy.
Isa malayo party
We're on bridge right now.
All north side.
Ang bagal nyo, guys.
Binobrol sa loob.
Yo, ready. Bilisan nyo.
Dito kami.
Layo.
Pahold niya. Yo, ready, engaging dito sa may bridge. In 3.
Di mo na.
Yo, ready, counter engage now. In 3, 2, 1. On the ground. Top on the ground. Nice damage. Okay, come back.
Di mo na.
Everyone, come back. Sige lang. Nap natin ang ano, mas bandit.
Oo. Baka lang mabigyan ng member mo eh.
Namatay.
Sige. Namatay siguro?
Namatay.
Na-demon.
Tepon.
Ready, perma.
Ready. Bukas na kayo.
Spread.
Purple benda.
Hilson na front ha. Yo, be ready for counter ha. Be ready for counter. Yo, ready defensive ha. Okay, ready. Engaging tayo. Shallow now. In 3, 2, 1. On the ground. Walk in. Everyone walk in.
Guardian guys. Guardian.
Walk in guys, walk in. Spread the brawl. Pahilang east side ko, pahilang west. Keep walking in brawl.
Ready.
Yo, hit me. Okay, look is now in 3, 2, 1. On the ground guys, on the ground. Need more damage. Putang ina, bakit wala tayong damage? Yo, come west. Everyone, come west.
Bridge! Pass through the bridge!
Bro, come west. Spread. Hilap. Okay. Hilap. Yo, everyone, walk north now. Mas bandit to ah.
MB na. MB na.
Southeast na. Nag-change position.
Asan yung kalaban? South?
Yes, south. They're going south. They're moving south.
Follow the ground.
Okay ka na dun sa isa. Baka ng ano yun.
Still going southwest.
Yo, medyo, ingat kayo ha. Choke to ha.
Lampas na sila ng choke. Dito.
Yo, package na to yung isa na to. Ready, engaging dito. Ready, walk in. Ready, pats now. Pats. Okay, walk in. Ready west now. In 3,
Ay, gago.
2, 1. On the ground. Putang ina nyo, walang damage. Ba't ganun? Spread and brawl. Walk in, lumabas kayo dyan sa choke. Putang ina nyo, mga bakla.
Tang ina mo.
Pilap.
Nadamay tayo sa bomba ng mas
Friendly fire sa
Tang
choke.
inang bandit
Friendly
yan.
fire sa choke.
Yeah, we're fighting.
In 3, 2, 1. Drop it on the ground. Ang laki dito mo. Sobrang bagal guys. Everyone, hilap. Yo. Rigirin ka back. Taps on the front.
MB yung nasa west side natin. MB yan.
Ano sa inyo?
Sige.
Hindi ako naman.
Yo, ready ha. Like Taji ha, baka mag-engage to. Yo, ready, counter engage. Yo, counter engage now. In 3, 2, 1. Drop on the ground.
Lahat na yun. Pati yung fights mo dito.
Putang ina nyo, sabi ko, bro, walk in. Pats, ready pats. Walk in, big balls. Walk in, guys, walk in. Go north now.
They have engaged.
Be ready, tell me when ready.
Ready.
Pats. No, counter engage now. In 3, 2, 1. On the ground. Ang laki nito. Putang ina nyo, patayin nyo.
Chisu,
Yo, keep walking.
Feel ka muna, Chisu. Wala na.
Naklap yung likod.
Yeah, baka.
Naklap yung likod.
Sandwich tayo. Merong dumating.
Lapin likod,
Sandwich tayo.
lapin
Feel ka muna.
Yo, regroup sa Terry.
Naklap yung likod natin.
Sino nag-clap sa likod natin?
Mas bandit.
Hindi.
Ibang
guild yan.
Na OC. Yung nung bumaba tayo sa
Bandit,
mas bandits yung tumama kanina. Friendly fire tayo ng mas bandits.
Tier 9.
Yo, Rigger. Kailangan masanay tayo sa ganito kalaking laban, ha?
Lang, kill ka
Ito
muna.
yung labang maganda guys.
Pag reposition tayo.
Ang
Yo,
inang ganda
DPS
ng
ko, putang ina, dapat sumabay kayo, DPS. Putang ina yan.
Laki pa naman
Kita mo
Ang
ng
kung
gagal-
sino yung sumabay sa akin mamaya.
Ang daming naiiwan
Ang
dun sa
ga-
bridge kanina, Boss Cheese.
May kita mo sa
Tsaka puta. Yo, pag sinabi kong walk in, puta ko kayo pading.
Is, ang dami nating dinaanan na bridge. Mag-drop kayo ng guard rune sa bridge.
Sayang yung
Guard rune
Ang ina.
Ang ganda ng huling club.
Guard rune lagi sa mga choke. Guard rune lagi sa mga choke.
Kanina pa magaganda ang clap ko eh. Putang ina, walang follow up na damage eh.